Contribution of Scientists in Soil Science. Vasily Dokuchaev established soil as a natural body and became the father of soil science. Hans Jenny explained soil formation through 5 factors: climate, organisms, relief, parent, materials, and time. Neil C. Brady and Ray R. Will emphasize soil as a dynamic living system important for agriculture and environment. Bachman and Brady focus on the soil, fertility, and practical crop management. M. Carmen, Arvistian, Felix Velasquez, and Chesworth highlighted soil sustainability, environmental protection, and global soil system. Barrera emphasized soil as a productive and dynamic agricultural resources. Pedological and edapological approach. Pedological studies soil origin, formation, classification, and morphology. Edapology studies soil in relation to plant growth and crop production. Importance: help farmers improve from productivity and soil management. Help soil scientists classify and conserve soils. Guide future soil scientists in sustainable agriculture and environmental protection. Withering process. Withering breaks rocks into soil. Physical withering breaks rocks. Mechanical through heat, water, and pressure. Chemical watering changes mineral composition through hydrolysis, oxidation, carbonation, hydration, and solution. Biological weathering causes by plant roots, animal, microorganism, and humans. Sequence: rock weathering, soil formation, soil horizons. Soil horizons o horizons, organic matter. A horizons, topsoil rich in humus. E horizon, leach layer. B horizons, accumulation of minerals and clay. C horizon, weathering parent material. R horizon, bedrock. Physical properties of soil. Soil color indicates organic material and drainage. Soil texture, proportion, and sand, silt, and clay. Soil structure, argument of soil particles, density, and porosity. Affects air and water movement. Soil moisture, water available for plant. Soil chemical properties. Colloids are tiny particles that hold nutrients, water. Soil colloids include clay and humus. Important properties. Duduling. Important properties. Sundo mo daw dyan, rayop ka. Ay,